Hey y'all, SEMA 2015, and I got this Dodge pickup truck. I don't know what year it is, but it's crazy cool. I think y'all are gonna like it. What about that? I don't know what year it is, but it's a Dodge diesel, twin turbo. And I really like when they put them big fat wheels on the front and then they're on the back too, right? I think it gives it a good look, great stance, and it's way over the top. But that 6 nitrous bottles on the back, that should get it done. Never too much nitro or nitrous. It's like money, you can't ever have too much, right? Sitting on bags. That's a cool hot rod truck. I had seen it on the internet before coming out here, but I still can't tell you anything about it. I can tell you it's cool because I may never know years or the difference between a radiator cap and a gas cap, but the one thing I do know is cool. That truck's cool. And it's a Dodge, I can tell you that. I like them headlights. I like the way they did that grill. It's nicer inside than you would imagine, right? Not that, I mean, it's a cool truck, but you would think maybe like one seat and, you know, rat rotted on the inside, but no, it's done pretty decent there. Plenty of gauges, but nothing you don't need, right? Get you a closer look to this motor, right? Look at the size of that air cleaner. So there you go, from SEMA 2015, one crazy Dodge diesel twin turbo nitrous eating pickup truck. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See ya.